guest is going to help us, guide us, and lead the way here. So today, Ishwaramma Day celebration. This should be on actually May 6th, and we are doing it with our kids today on the weekend. So why this May 6th is celebrated as Ishwaramma Day? This is this year, every year, on May 6th we honor the life of Mother Ishwaramma, the chosen mother of our dearmost Bhagavan. On this day, Mother Ishwaramma's soul was chosen to ascend and merge with Bhagavan. Mother was given a birth name as Namagiramma, so she was not named as Ishwaramma by birth. She was given this name Ishwaramma by her father-in-law Ponnamaraj Garu. Why? He is a very spiritually highlighted person, highly evolved soul. So he imagined that Mother Ishwaramma will be the mother of the God Ishvara. So that's how she was renamed as Mother Ishwaramma by him. So Ishwaramma Day is also celebrated to raise awareness about the role of women in society. Ishwaramma was a woman of exceptional character, embodiment of love, compassion and selflessness. So right, Swami has always spoken about Ishwaramma, and he has filled 3 promises that Ishwaramma had asked Swami, right? We all know, our kids also had done a skit on that, 3 promises, but in a different scenarios of coming into all the 8 yugas, bringing all the yugas. But those 3 promises were born out of compassion for the fellow human beings, mainly to seeing the villagers, how they are suffering for the water, how they are suffering for the medical aid, and how they are suffering for educate their kids. So Mother Ishwaram has asked Baba for the 3 wishes, and Swami has given her the 3 wishes, not only for Puttaparthi village, but also to the mankind, the whole world. So everyone is having a free medical facility available, and water was given to many states of India, where our governments are also not able to do that. There was a special study made on that in few universities, how this project was made into action. And super specialty hospitals, we all know how they were coming to action in 1 year of starting. So these are all not miracles, but these are all the divine actions of work. So Mother Ishwaramma was the inspiration to Swami, because she was all compassionate about her fellow kids and mothers, and she used to talk to them, get all the kids towards her and tell them the stories. And even though she is not an educated person, education means not the literal study, but she is educated in a spiritual way with her love, compassion and selflessness towards the fellow beings. And she helped even mothers to take care of their kids in that way. That's how we all take her message, Ishwaramma's message, and follow her. And Swami also has emphasized on loving everyone and serving everyone, not to hurt everyone. Thank you, Saira. And here we have a special guest. Surprisingly, he is from UK. So his brother Natarajan. The last week he was supposed to come, but due to his work he was not able to make it. But we are happy to see him here. And he is from UK Region 3, and he is a percussionist. He plays multiple instruments, and so he is here to help sing a Ganesh bhajan for all of us. Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Ganapati Om Jaya Ganapati Om 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 Gajamukha Varada Ganapati Om Ganapati गणपति